For loop activity number 1. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be starting activity number 1 of for loops. So as you can see, I'm on Rapid right now and I have prepared the text. So as we know that for loops is a command where we can repeat, something in just one line of code. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and import the turtle library because we are going to be, learning a new text which is going to be called right. So t is going to be equal to turtle dot capital T turtle, and since it's a function, we're going to write it in parentheses. Now we're gonna go to minus 100 comma 0. 0 is the middle of the screen, and if it's saying that minus 100 comma 0, it's probably somewhere over here or here. Now we're gonna go ahead and write our first text, which is going to be I am learning Python. Yes, print, that print is not only the way we can print the text on a screen, because printing usually comes in the console over here. When we want to write, you want it to appear on the screen, so that's why we use the write function. So right, I'm printing Python, and we're gonna go to 100 comma 0, which is going to be here, and we're gonna set the color to red. We can set it to purple, pink, yellow, blue, green even, but for now let's do it to red. And now we're gonna write that this text is going to be printed in red. Now the next function we're gonna learn is going to be the random library. So random is a library which helps you think of random numbers. Like let's say you want to pick a random number from 1 to 10 in Python. You use the import random function. So we're going to import the random library, store num. So num is equal to random dot random. So as you can see, random dot random over here is a function used to make the computer select any one number in the parentheses given. As you can see, we have 1 comma 1 and 0 1. So means it will pick any one number, like a random number from 1 to 100, because the last number is always excluded in Python. Now we're going to go ahead and print num. So let's go ahead and test this out. So as you can see, I am learning Python is printed, and this text is printed in red is also printed here. And as you can see in our console here, you can see that 79 is written. If you run it again, this text will be the same, and the computer chose 47. So it's random. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to make a turtle racing game with for loop. So stay tuned.